Salvation Army and the Hightown Parish singers. I would also like to thank the Hightown Inn for supplying refreshments. So what we're going to do now, if everyone comes to the Christmas fair in St Stephen's Church Hall on Saturday afternoon, they're going to have Father Christmas and the Christmas fair there. So what we're going to do a countdown from 10, and when we shout hooray, the Christmas lights are going to come on. So are we all ready? We have a big cheer? Right, so we're going to start now. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hooray! Oh, thank you.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Happy Christmas, Hightown! Happy Christmas from Hightown!